Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will continue our study on inequalities and we will solve two examples which are harder examples and more tricky examples than the previous ones which I have told you. The first one is prove that a square by b plus b square by c plus c square by a is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c, and the second one is a cube by bc plus b cube by ca plus c cube by ab is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c. We need to prove this. So please try the first one problem. I hope you may have tried this problem. Now let me show you the solution of this one. See, this is a bit trickier problem, so it needs to be approached in a different manner. Let me write it down first. A square by b plus b square by c plus c square by a greater than or equal to a plus b plus c. This is a tricky problem. So let me tell you how to do this one. See, this is a new trick which we will learn in our inequality course. This is that adding and subtracting, which means adding a same term on both the sides of equation. We add a term. Suppose in the left hand side we add ab plus bc plus ca. The same term will be added to the right hand side, and then after we apply AMGM and get a result. And if the inequality is true after adding term on both the sides, then it is true always. This is proved. So let me tell you how to do this one. See, first of all, let me tell you a trick how to apply AMGM. This is a very important method. See, first of all, a very important concept in all of Olympiad inequality is that check the equality case. Check the equality case. In many of the cases, the equality case will be when A equal to B equal to C. So first check the equality case and then think about applying AMGM. See, always while checking the equality case, first check if A equal to B equal to C. In most of the cases it works. If we apply A equal to B equal to C, it will be A square by A plus A square by A plus A square by A greater than or equal to A plus A plus A. Yes, the equality case holds when every number is equal to itself, yani A equals to B equals to C. So how do we apply inequality? See, now also one important topic I tell you about inequality is that if we apply inequality like this, a square by b plus b, no sorry, a square by b plus 1 by b, if we apply inequality like this won't be true. Means in this case the equality cannot hold between am and gm. Means not in every case, in some cases only. Because why? Because a square by b and 1 by b, if we set them as equal, so a square by b is equal to 1 by b, which means a square equals to 1, which means a equals to 1. So it will work for only a particular case but not for every case. So for every case we need to see that what type of expression will be equal to this. If this is a square by b, this is a 1 degree expression, 2 degree in the numerator and 1 degree in the denominator. So this is a 1 degree expression. So a 1 degree expression will only be equal to this. So a square by b may be equal to b. So let me try this out. If we apply AMGM like a square by b, if we add it to b, divide by 2 will be greater than or equal to square root of the product, which means square root of a square by b into b, a. So a square by b plus b is greater than or equal to 2a. Similarly, if we apply cyclic results, adding them up, b square by c plus c will be greater than or equal to 2b. Similarly, c square by a plus a will be greater than or equal to 2c. Add these all up, we get a square by b plus b square by c plus c square by a plus b plus c will be greater than or equal to twice of a plus b plus c. So what we get is that, let me call this a square by b plus b square by c plus c square by a as expression E1. So adding all these three inequalities, what we get is that E1 plus a plus b plus c will be greater than or equal to twice of a plus b plus c. Cancelling a plus b plus c from both sides, we get A1 is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c, hence proved. See, the second inequality is quite similar to this one, so I hope you will be able to do this one. So please pause the video and try it yourself. Honestly try it. You can do it if you know this trick. It is not hard. I hope you may have tried the problem. Now let me tell you the solution of the second problem. See, observe that what is there given that a cube by bc plus b cube by ca plus c cube by ab is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c. Now also check here the degree of expressions. This is degree 3 in the numerator and degree 2 in the denominator. Means it is of degree 1 expression. Means a cube by bc can be equal to a, not 1 upon a, for many values of a. So we can apply AMGM like this: a cube by bc plus a single degree expression, single degree, which is a degree of 1, not containing square or anything like that. But what could be that single degree expression? If we put a cube by bc plus a, that would not lead to a clear expression. A cube by bc plus b, that would lead to a better result but not a precise one. See, but if we do like this will yield the best results. If we do like this, a cube by bc plus b plus c, if we take these three as numbers, this is first, this is second, this is third, if we take these three as numbers, then result would be a good one. This whole divided by 3 is greater than or equal to cube root of the product. Cube root will be bc into b into c, so b and c will be cancelled, equal to cube root of a cube, which is a. So this will be greater than or equal to 3a. A cube by bc plus b plus c would be greater than or equal to a. This has proved. And now let me take it to the upward. Adding up cyclic results: b cube by ca plus c plus a greater than or equal to 3b, c cube by ab plus a plus b greater than or equal to 3c. Now let me label this one as c. Let me label this as E2. Let me label this as E2. So this is our first result, this is our first result, this is our second result, and this is our third result. If we add all of these results, what would we get is a cube by bc plus b plus c plus b cube by ca plus c plus a plus c cube by ab plus a plus b, and a cube by bc plus b cube by ca plus c cube by ab is E2. So adding all these, we get E2 plus a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a. Twice of a plus b plus c is always greater than or equal to thrice of a plus b plus c. This has been proven by us. Now let's cancel a plus b plus c, twice a plus b plus c from both sides. So what we get is E2 is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c, hence proved. I hope you may have understood this problem. Guys, if you like this video, please do share this video and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.